Aloyon or binadang is a Kankaray term referred to mutual labor exchange, a practice that is still actively being practiced in the municipality of Bacol. It is a cultural frame emphasizing the spirit of voluntarism. It invokes the spirit of cooperative works in the farming system. Remains a collective mutual labor exchange in response to this shortage, thus ensuring availability of labor during specific farm activities, such as pre to post-harvest time. Farmers unite to plant, cultivate, and harvest crops in everyday life. Aloyon or binadang extends beyond farming. Families, neighbors, or communities work together to make life better. When we unite to solve problems, we can find solutions faster and create a more harmonious world.